Hello, good afternoon.
Good
My
afternoon.
name is Asad Yaqub and I'm going to conduct your IELTS speaking test. Are you ready
Okay.
for that?
Ji.
All right. Let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you live in a house or a flat?
Well, I live in a house. It is a very beautiful place, and so now my answer is I live in a house.
Okay. Please describe your house.
I am from Khushab, and I live in a house, and there are four bedrooms with attached bath, and also I have a one kitchen and one lobby, and there are no any
Okay. What's your favorite room in your house?
my favorite room in my own bedroom, so I feel more comfortable in my own bedroom.
All right. Would you like to live in a flat in the future?
I decided to go outside, so that's why I would like to decide to go in
Okay,
flat.
so this answer is not clear. For part 1, some of your answers are short, some of your answers are incomplete, and
Okay.
some of your answers are irrelevant. So
Okay.
focus. My last question was, would you like to live in a flat in the future? I've
Yes, I.
decided to go and answer was not clear. So there should be clarity in your answer, okay?
Okay.
We now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. This is your topic.
Okay.
Now you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yes.
I would like to explain to you today my topic is about describe an area in my room when I feel relaxed. I feel good in my bedroom. This room is so beautiful, and because I have decorated my own thinking, so that's why I like it. Whenever I feel exhausted, like when I come back from my job, then definitely I go to my room. My room is a quiet place area. There are many painting like I have bought to my shops, like greenery views. So I like it. And I also have a beautiful window. Whenever I feel uncomfortable, then I stand the window place and see the view in my window. These rooms feel are very happy because I live in alone, and I don't share everything to anyone. So I spend my life my own way. So that's why I feel very comfortable.
Okay, thank you. Can I get the topic, please? Now we move on to IELTS speaking part 3. What are the facilities in your area?
There are many facilities in my area. There are many park, and also there are mall and hospitals and school. Everything available there.
Okay. Is there any area in your locality where you go to feel relaxed?
I have a beautiful park. Whenever I feel exhausted, then I go with my friend to enjoy it because that place is so beautiful in my
Why do
city.
some people prefer to relax on the weekend?
I think so. Every person busy in whole weekend, so that's why when in a weekend they feel more relaxed. With some people live in a family and other one live in a friends. So that's why.
Okay. Now, the main thing is sentence structure. You need to
Okay.
improve your sentence structure.
Okay.
Sometimes you're not using proper helping verbs. And other point is clarity. Right? I mean, my last question, why do some people want to feel relaxed on the weekend? So when you were answering, you were not clear about it. So you need to give the clarity to your sentences, then the examiner will understand you. If your English is ambiguous, that will be the reason for low band score, okay?
Yes.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.